Hello po. Ito, nakabili na rin ako ng gloves. Yeah. Nakabili nga ako ng gloves, hindi ko naman maisuot. Kaya susuot ko, di pwede kong patatanganan ko muna din eh. Siguro lilinisin ko ang kotse. Grabe. Hindi pa naman natin ilang snow pag ganyan-ganyan pa. So kaya mailagay ito ngayon. Mantakan mo yung Chinese store is closed. Yun ang masama. It was cold. I'm gonna do this.
I don't know what kind of evidence can you bring.
I'll put it here.
Cool.
I'll put it here. Nag-vlog ko. There we go. Oops. Now okay, hold it now like this. There we go.
How much?
I see this one here. This car is stopped. Look at that. In a weather like this, you should bring your own shovel. Oh boy, I don't think I can get out. Probably I can. Probably I'm going to. Oh boy. Probably I'm gonna say I cannot go to work because my car gets stuck. Oh, you're having fun, eh? You're having fun in the snow. Uh-oh. You won't go that far.
Yeah, shit, we gotta get his truck. Yeah.
It's hard. You have to bring shovel and you with you.
Do they have shovel?
You can ask the guy
Yeah, okay.
because in a weather like this you should have a shovel.
Yeah, okay.
Especially that one is light.
Yeah.
You can ask the guy there working for the McDonald's. You won't go that far.
Yeah, okay. So, got rocket yet?
Where are you going? Are you going to?
Just try to get out.
Oh, try to get out.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Does he stop? That's an animal. Yeah, what's yours?
This is no good. Oops. How am I gonna get it? How am I gonna get out? You come out alive now. The problem is, see, that's my car. How am I gonna get out now?
That's crazy. You should have think last night, man.
Oh, son of a gun, look.
You have a card here?
That one. How am I gonna get out now?
That one is mine.
Which one? The second one? The third one?
Third one.
Oh my gosh. So now what we gonna go? So probably we shovel it, yeah. I think so.
No shovel.
Where did you live? There?
Huh?
You live there? Yeah, see me too.
Because I park over here and I get ticket all the while, so I said no.
Oh yeah. If I park my car there, I will get out. Because then the ramp there, I can't. I don't know if I can go to work now. It's anyway, the car is clean, right?
The good thing in ours is clean, just the digital.
Exactly. I live right there anyways.
Holy cow. You should bring the motor?
That's a good call. I'm gonna go get paper off.
I don't know why they should not have it. But you know what? Because the guy who's supposed to clean this one, they don't have time. They're busy in the road first.
Do not come in here, bro. You're gonna stop.
It's it was a Toyota, same thing, Corolla. It's going to have a problem. You going this way? Uh-oh, he tried. Probably have a snow tire. You know what I mean?
You have snow tire, but it's still be stuck, same.
Huh?
It's still be stuck.
No,
because
it's
the
if you
car
have a
is right.
if you have a snow tire, it's a little bit different. Because the tire grip is different. Yeah, see, that's why he passed on. See, because you have a snow tire. If that's not snow tire, you can go run that way. Especially have a Toyota that one. See, because this all Japanese car. You see, they're stock. But those GM, they have no problem. Especially the front wheel drive. So you are not going to work either, right? Oh boy, I'm gonna get out. Yes. The car is clean. Ah. Oh boy. Where's your car? Is that your car? Oh, my cell phone is running out of battery. Can you try first? Huh? So you're not going to work either? So you cannot go to work now, eh?
Yeah?
You cannot go to work.
Yes, I can't get out. I don't go to work today.
So what time your shift? Afternoon?
Eh?
You work afternoon?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I start 3:30. But I don't know. Probably I'm gonna get a shovel.
Anything I just call in.
Huh?
Anything I just call in, I can't move.
Probably I'm gonna get a shovel. before I run out of time. Because I want to go to work. Okay, see you. Oh boy. That car, you have a snow tire. The only problem now is in a parking like this, once you get in the road, it's no problem. I can see how bad it's in downtown. In downtown, I know it's worse. This one is good if you have a ski motor, you know. But this one is not so bad. The one that we have, I remember maybe 12 years ago. Oh boy, it's worse than this one. My cell phone is a low bat, so I cannot take out my gloves, so I was using my nose. So I'm just going inside, and then I'm going to shovel. I'm going to get a shovel. Going to work?
No.
I thought you're going to work.
No, they canceled it.
Huh?
They
Yeah?
canceled it. Yeah, everything's
Yeah.
closed now.
I don't know. I'm going to work maybe okay, I'm gonna cut my video here, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. You know, I'm having fun out there. It's even cold, my hands is frozen, even my foot is frozen, my feet is frozen. I'm going back to dig the snow there. I'm going to clear the snow in my car. Okay, bye bye for now. I have to stop it this one by my nose. There you go. Oh, doesn't stop.